Extension Sequence Solo. Here we have a solo using both the extended shape and a sequence. This is a great way to practice while learning how to play a solo in the extended shape at the same time. So let's play that solo one more time at a slower tempo. Remember the slides when moving to the extended parts, and also try to visualize the shape when practicing. And once you get used to all the notes in the solo, you should try to look at your fretting hand as little as possible. Good luck.